Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Systeme.io. It's an all-in-one platform that promises to help you build and grow your online business. As someone who's been using it for a few months, I wanted to share my thoughts and experiences with you. I'll be covering what it is, its key features, pros and cons, who it's best suited for, and my final verdict. What is Systeme.io? Systeme.io is an all-in-one marketing platform that offers a suite of tools to help you run and grow your online business. It's designed to replace the need for multiple software tools and provide a single solution for entrepreneurs, course creators, coaches, and small business owners. The platform includes features like email marketing, sales funnel builder, membership site builder, affiliate marketing, and more. It has 3 pricing plans: Startup, Webinar, and Enterprise. Lifetime free Systeme.io account link in the description. Key features of Systeme.io. One of the most important features of Systeme.io is its drag and drop funnel builder. It's very user-friendly and makes it easy to create high-converting sales funnels. You can create landing pages, upsell pages, order bump pages, and more. Another important feature is the email marketing capability. You can send newsletters, automated email sequences, and segment your email list based on behavior or interests. Systeme.io also has a membership site builder that allows you to create a course or a community for your audience. You can host your content, create different membership levels, and restrict access to specific content. Affiliate marketing is also included, where you can create your own affiliate program and manage payouts. There are other features like webinar and event management, payment processing, and more. Lifetime free Systeme.io account link in the description. Pros and cons of Systeme.io. Like any other platform, Systeme.io has its pros and cons. The pros include its ease of use, all-in-one solution, and the fact that it's cost-effective. It's a great solution for someone who's just starting out and doesn't have the budget for multiple software tools. However, the cons include limited customization options, the learning curve for new users, and limited integration options with third-party tools. While Systeme.io offers a lot of features, it may not be as advanced or customizable as some of the other platforms in the market. Who is Systeme.io best suited for? Systeme.io is best suited for entrepreneurs, course creators, coaches, and small business owners who want an all-in-one solution to run their business. It's also great for someone who's just starting out and wants an affordable solution to get started. It's a good fit for those who don't have the budget or the technical know-how to use multiple software tools. In conclusion, I would recommend Systeme.io for anyone who's looking for a cost-effective and user-friendly solution to run their online business. It's a great platform for beginners and offers enough features to keep your business running smoothly. While it may not be as advanced or customizable as some of the other platforms out there, it's a great option for those who want an all-in-one solution. Have you used Systeme.io before? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more reviews and tutorials. Lifetime free Systeme.io account link in the description.